Right, this is week 3 of my journey on YouTube, trying to get my YouTube channel monetized. So right into it. First thing we're going to do is go straight to the analytics and go check those out. Okay, into the analytics. Right, first off, views. Yay! I got 1.5k views, or 1,500 views. Second of all, watch hours. It's not that great, but it's still in the green. I got 7.8 hours watch hours, and of course 9 subscribers, which I'm really happy about in the last 7 days. And so we got green arrows across the board, so I'm so happy. Reasons for getting them would it be because of shorts. So I made 3 shorts in the course of a week, and it was mainly due to my shorts. Each one of those shorts got about 500 views each, and of course, you know, watch time adds up. But in saying that, the watch time that I gain from my shorts doesn't count unless I make that threshold that you have to be monetized. So even though my watch hours looks really good at the moment, I'm not really counting on the whole keeping those watch hours from shorts. I'll talk about it more with outside me, away from the computer. Right. And dog hair in your coffee. To start off, this video is very, very late. I honestly just shitty planning, really, and not having the time to actually do it. Yes, especially yesterday, because I was supposed to film it yesterday, and now we're in Tuesday, which is my time. By the time I upload this will be Tuesday around the world somewhere. So anyway, babbling. But anyway, so this video is late, and yeah, got to get on top of that and stop putting other things in front of doing my content. On a whole though, my week has actually been pretty good. I got 9 more subscribers, so I was pretty happy with that. That was pretty good. And just over 1,500 views, so that was really good as well. I don't know if you guys can actually see behind me, but the rain clouds are brewing, so I am rushing through this video so that I can get it done before it buckets down. And it's a lot nicer out here than it is in my house, so reason why we're filming outside. But anyway, 1,500 views, or just over 1,500 views, and 9 subscribers, which was pretty cool. And also the comments as well. I got about half a dozen comments, so that's the most comments that I've had on my videos since starting this journey, so that was great. Also changed my mic. I've got a lav mic on, so a wide one. So basically it's connected to my phone that's recording at the moment, and I'm hoping that the mic or the audio quality will be much better than the little wireless mic that I was using before. And I think that's it. That's the bonuses. Like, yeah, using shorts has been pretty good for getting subscribers, but I've got to weigh up how that may affect me in the long run, because from what I've seen on other videos, other creators, shorts isn't always the best way to, or best route to go to get subscribers, and it can backfire on you later on, especially when you're concentrating on long form content. So I need to do a little bit more research about maybe not doing more shorts or trying to combine them. We'll see how we go. Things to work on this week. Definitely still consistency. Scripting's getting a bit better, so that's good. And I think the other thing I need to work on is just the way that I structure my videos, and also edits and stuff. Like, editing is, yeah, it's okay, but I don't enjoy it, and I don't think anyone else enjoys it either, so I'm not the only one. but I think just the style in which I'm editing my videos I need to work on more, instead of jumping from one style to the next, and keep a more consistent style with all my videos. But as for background, I like the background. Background's great. Nothing can beat the background. But yeah, definitely like the color grades and the type of music that I'm using in the background or anything like that. Graphics like are more consistent, so it's all cohesive and works together. So I think I need to work a little bit more on making that, or getting a cemented template on what I want on my videos, and then working from there so that they are all linked together instead of here, there and everywhere. So that's one thing. Second thing is maybe telling my family and friends that I actually have a YouTube channel, because I haven't done that yet. I sort of kept it on the down low that I've been doing this, and they still have no idea, unless one of them sees one of my videos, but I highly doubt it. But maybe let them know, hey, I am doing this, so that's maybe something I need to work on. But anyway, that's it for the week, and we'll see how we go this week, and I'll catch you next week. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.